Hey there! I'm so excited to share this with you. If you've ever wanted to turn your ideas into an app, even with zero tech experience, I'm here to help you to just start. Stick around and let's build something amazing together. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own children's story book generator. Let's go. The prompt button and you click run prompt. What's happening here is Gemini is creating the prompts for you. It's creating the app for you. The creation time actually depends on your internet as well and the depth of the prompt that you gave to Gemini. Secondly, our story is ready. So let's say this is the preview of the story. This is the preview of the storybook. Now you have a storybook Weaver AI generated for you. So let's test it with this one. Let's test it. Um, Crown Girl. I'm gonna put, let's look 3 to 5 years. Gentle. So you have options here. This is based on my own prompts. Let's do friendship. And let's say first summer. Main character's name, call the character Peter. And where should this happen? Hmm. Okay, let's leave it as in a sunny garden. Let's click generate a story. So here our storybook has been generated and there's a whole lot of things that's happening in the storybook, but this is based on my own prompts. That's why I say that your prompts must be extensive. Now we're going to head over to Gemini. This is Google AI, but you can do both. But I love using Gemini. So let's go see how it works in Gemini. Now in Gemini, the product is quite extensive. Now you can see that you have over the we have like 7 chapters generated. 7 chapters. This is really, really extensive. Now, this is why I love to use Gemini. There you have it. A step-by-step way that you can build your own app. So once you have your idea, you can turn it into an app. So what are the things that we covered today? Your prompts, creating a prompt that will help you. Once you have that idea, you turn it into a prompt. You pick that prompt, drop it in Gemini or Google AI or Canva. If it's a simple thing you want to build, Canva as well. Once you drop it, the software is going to do the work, build it out for you. And then the third thing, you get to use it. That's it. That's all. So, this is the factory we've just done. There's also the storefronts where probably you want to sell it, so you need to deploy it for somebody else to use it. That can be covered in another video. And if you want to see that, let me know. I will drop the video if you want to see it. Also, for you to be able to build an app that makes sense, an app that will generate you income, you need to be able to turn that thought into an app that is valuable to your users. And to do that, I have created a app idea planner. This will help you turn that idea into an app that is valuable to whoever you're creating that app for. The link for that is in the description. If you want it, you could go get it. So I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you're going to build an app out of this training, also let me know. And if you do eventually, you can share your link to the app so we could all view it once it's ready. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again in my next video. Do take care and God bless.